Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is Pinky, a little bit disheveled, but I made it on camera again 3 days in a row. Like I said, I barely post on here, so this is like a Festivus miracle right here. Yes. So first, like usual, we're going to look at the yummy chocolate. Tomorrow there may be a third contender. Yes, I have 3. Yes, but 'tis the season to be gluttonous, and so I shall be gluttonous. But today, just 2. Enrobage. Wasn't that exciting? So what's kind of upsetting is the Richardt, that's what it is. I thought it would be more than just caramels or caramels. I say caramels. What do you say? Let me know below. I thought it would be more than that with a bunch of different flavors, especially for the price, but it looks like it's just caramels, which is a little bit disappointing because I like variety. They're very good, but I was expecting a little bit more because their flavors are so good that I'm this much disappointed. But out of this much, like this much. So there you go. So yesterday, I used the face wash. Now it turns out it's yuzu, which is a citrus fruit in Asia. And again, it smells very much like grapefruit, so I really didn't care for it. The smell, But what I will say is that it lathers really nicely. So at first it doesn't lather at all, and you're supposed to put it on your face, and you're like, ugh. But then it starts to bubble up, kind of like the Cica packs, and then it's very moisturizing for something that's specifically for like blemish prone skin. It actually was quite moisturizing and quite nice. I don't know how well it works, but right now I don't have blemishes. So I may save it till summer. I want to use things, but I may save it till summer when I actually may really need it, especially here in New York City where it's hot. But didn't much care for the smell. I stand by that. But I actually liked the consistency of it. It was very comfortable and very moisturizing. A nice sud. So yeah. So let's see. Oh, the highlighter too. So I am wearing the So Susan highlighter. You can see it on my cheeks today, hopefully. I don't know if it's showing up. But it's very pretty. You could almost use it across your cheeks as well, like a blush, almost, or on top of blushes. It's that type of thing. I don't know if I like it as a highlighter, but I think I really like it as a blush. But it's very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. So I will definitely use that. But today we will go into day 3. Day 3, if I can find it. Yes. Okay, so here it is. Again, if you have not seen the introduction, this is not the Anthropology Viv and George one. This was from last year, and I'm repurposing it. These are my own samples. And we have a MAC lipstick. I will put the color to the side because I cannot even read it. It's so small. But this is what it looks like. Still smells good. You gotta be careful. So this is actually a good color for this time of year. So it's a little sampler, a little dark color here. That's actually really pretty and a color that I would wear. So he did a really great job on this. Actually, I would wear this. I would wear this. So I may try to do some kind of eye look to wear this tomorrow. Yes, because this is pretty fantastic. So I am very happy with this. Very, very happy. Very happy. Oh, the lighting really stinks. Much better now that you've been horrified and traumatized for the last 5 minutes. I apologize. It's time to put little Betsy onto my lap. Seriously, it's like a small child there. I used to work with kids, so back when I was like a teenager and stuff. So, okay. Everybody's like, what is this woman doing? Oh, those were already open. Working those abs. Okay, so number 3. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Maybe I should have left the light on. I can't see anything. Oh, that's heavy. I know. So this is upon all sharp brow. It's a brow pencil. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, this is probably not going to work for me because I have red hair, and this is indeed for darker hair. I'm not even going to swatch it because this is for darker hair. This, I mean, which makes sense. This is a Korean product, so I understand it. It's not necessarily, this color wouldn't be made for somebody of my hair color, so this isn't going to work for me. So happy declutter day. So this, I'm going to keep this. You got to be careful with boxes like this because honestly, when you go into things like this, it's going to be a little bit difficult, but that's with all boxes. But I mean, this is going to be very limited for people because, you know, it is a darker brown eyeshadow or brow pencil. So it's kind of like, oh, but that's okay. I still have several days left. So you know what? I'm just going to set that there. I'm going to go ahead and declutter that, and that'll go to somebody who can use it and appreciate it and love it. So you know what? I'm giving a gift to someone else. So yeah, so delicious chocolates today. You will not see any swatches of this tomorrow. Sorry, no. But you will be seeing this tomorrow. Unless I don't see you. Because again, I'm kind of sneaking this when I have a chance between work and like people coming in and out of the apartment. I know. I'm living a double life. No, hardly. Maybe a little. No, now everybody's like, really? Not that exciting, people. But yeah, so that is the Advent calendar for day number 3. Yes, a little bit of good, a little bit of but isn't that life? So until next time, have a fabulous day, my friends. Bye.